just sleeping. Wake up, you lousy excuses! We're up! Good, you woke up just for me. Now get ready, because this is our first day of camp. I thought it was our second day. No, it's our first day. Yesterday we just slept and made marshmallows. We didn't make marshmallows. I mean, we can't even eat. We're freaking trains. I'm the boss of the group. Does anyone care that you're the boss of the group? I'm flipping older than you. Anyways, now get your buffers and wheels moving, because we got a big adventure on our way. Yeah, whatever, James. Won't be saying whatever when we find something interesting, and I keep it all to myself. Does that look like I care? I'm your boss. I thought Satamahan was our boss. No, I'm the boss of the group. I made this group, and you guys signed up. We didn't sign up. It was our stupid driver and farmers. We hear you. You know, shut up. Ugh. Let's just do it. Jeez, Nathan's doing this the wrong way. What'd you say, Duck? I said you were doing it. He said nothing. But okay, we'll go. Alright, now, follow me. Excuse me, pardon me, back up. Oh! Alright, let's go. Haha. Why do you have earbuds? You don't even have any ears. Wait, do we even have ears? I'm sure we don't, because by now, if we did, I would snap yours. Jesus. Whatever. Hey, what's wrong with the track? No idea. Some men are stupid. Anyways, let's go. All I want is a little fighting, but sooner I just might be reconciling. I'll get a shape that makes them gape. What are you listening to? Nothing. I'll have the girls that I deserve. I'll get that. Are you listening to Streamline? Shut up! Ugh. Great, the song's over. Ugh. Hey, I'm the only one that sung that song. Didn't Gordon sing it? Yeah, but he ripped off mine. But let's just keep on going. Oof! Ow! James, you're going too slow! Listen, I am going slow because this is my group, and I'm listening to music, and since this is my group, I can go as slow as I want. Oof! Ouch! Just go already! Hey! Oof! You know what? Let's split up. Me, Philip, Toby will go this way, and you, Thomas, and Duck and Percy will go that way. Okay? Okay! Whee! Freaking idiots. Hey, Thomas! What? Look. Window. James, stop! What is it? Look right there. So what? It doesn't matter. James, you know we're already on one track that doesn't lead anywhere. Really? Yeah, see? Oh. Well, I guess we'll go over there. Oh. Jeez. My phone! Oh, phew, it's there. Bing. Ah! No! My phone! Too bad! Oh! I almost got pushed off the track, you idiots! You calling us idiots? No, I said dimwits. What does that mean? It means stupid. Oh. What does stupid mean? Oh my god! Toby, don't go like that. Okay. Huh, what is this? Who dare disturbs me? Hello? Who are you? Well, our names is Thomas, Percy. Wait, hold, stop. Did you say Thomas? Yeah. Why didn't you just say so? Do you need help? No, I'm okay. Ugh. 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 Ah! Oh, it got my eye. Oh my goodness. It can't be. Who's that? Oh yeah, you weren't around when he is. Trevor! I'm Terrence, you idiots. Oh yeah. Terrence! You were there all this time? Yep. Been here for like... Oh yeah, 23 years. What the freak? 23 years? Yep. 23 years. Gang rush all over me. And my dad's gone. Yep. So this is where you've been all this time? Yeah. What are you guys doing? Oh, we were just having like some sort of little adventure. James made us shut up! But yeah, that's what we were doing. Yeah. So, what's been going on during your days? Well, let's just see. So, crap has been going on. I had a monkey whistle, Percy's been a real idiot, James has been insured, Corn's boiler exploded, and I went to Shed 17. Wait, what's Shed 17? Oh wait, I didn't go into Shed 17, that was just a horror movie. And, yeah, lots of other crap. And Philip, he came, like, the beginning of this year. What was that? I farted. It's too old equals farting. Wow. Well, it's nice to see you again. Anyways, bye! No. I want to talk to him. So, why have you been here anyways? I don't know. But they did say something last week. What? They were going to scrap me. They're going to scrap you? Yeah. They said it last week. They said that they're going to do it by, like, the end of next week. Oh. We need to get you out here. We need to get you repaired and out here. What, are you sure you can do this? Yes. I think I can. You're not Tilly. Did anyone ask you, James? Whatever. Me and Philip and Toby are just gonna go. What? We don't want to go. Too bad. You're going with me, or you like it or ah! James! Oh no, James! James, are you okay? No! No! Ah! Oh my God! Terrence, listen. Oh God. Okay, I know what we're gonna do. Percy, Duck, Toby, and Philip. You try to get some help, and some of you try to get James from down there, and I'll try to get Terrence out here. Okay? Well, that sounds like a good plan. But I want to help you, Thomas. You're helping me. Oh, good idea. Hurry, I'll try and find like Rocky. Perfect. Who's Rocky again? Oh my gosh. Let's go. Go. Saying like it's serious. Yeah, whatever. Guys, I permit you to get me out of here. We are. Shut up. Oh. Okay. Now, Terrence, I'm going to try to get you out of here. Percy, just go right here. How'd I get past you? Oh gosh, the track's broken. Just use your imagination. Okay. Huh. That was easy. Alright, now, let me see. A flatbed. I need a flatbed. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, let's go get a flatbed. Okay. Oh crap, I'm on the wrong track! I need to go towards the bridge! Ah! So James, how's your life been going? Bad! And that's what I expected.